Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today I'm sharing a little workhorse that we have bought this multiple times over the years, the Arrow JT21CM light duty staple gun. And the funny part is we don't keep rebuying it because it breaks. We rebuy it because we misplace it, leave it behind on a project, and then we immediately go right back out and buy the same one because it just works. This is a light duty staple gun, which means it's made for the kinds of projects most of us actually do at home. Upholstery touch-ups, crafts, office projects, light fabric, thin wood, DIY decor. It uses JT21 staples, and it fits a 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch sizes. So you can choose a shorter staple for thinner materials or go a little longer when you need more hold. If you've ever tried to force the wrong staple size into a project and ended up with the bent staples or a jam, you already know why that matters. A couple features that I really appreciate about this one. First, it has a rear load magazine. So reloading is quick and straightforward. Second, there's a staple viewing window, which sounds like a small thing until you are like mid-project and you don't want to stop. Open it up and guess whether you're out or not. You can just glance in and keep on moving. And because it's compact and lightweight, it's easier on your hands, less fatigue if you're doing a longer project, and it's also great for tight spaces or detailed work. One of my favorite uses, it works beautifully for things like stapling canvases to frames or securing fabric neatly where you want a clean, finished look. So if you want a staple gun that's well made, simple, reliable, definitely, and perfect for small projects, this is the one I keep coming back to. Friendly reminder, I am an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.